Namaskar. This is part 3 of signaling in RE area, and in this presentation we will deal with the track circuits and block instruments which are used in RE area. In RE area, the track circuit that is used is called the single rail DC closed track circuit. Single rail is used in RE area while the second rail is given to the OHE staff for return current. In RE area, there are many requirements which are to be carried out to make it suitable for RE area. What are the main and important parts when connected to with respect to RE area? One, track circuit battery charger. So this is the track circuit battery charger. We use a 10 amps track feed battery charger. The input for the track feed charger is 110 volts AC, and the output is used for charging 3 cells or even 4 cells also, depending on the type of track relay. If QTA2 relay is used, we use 3 cells. If QB80 track relay is used, we use 4 cells. The main work of the track feed charger is to charge the cells. Track feed charger doesn't feed the track circuit directly. It is only used to feed the to charge the battery. Battery is the prime source of supply to the track. So this is your battery. This is the prime source for supply of the track. 3 cells or 4 lead acid cells are used with 2.2 volts per cell, and 80 Ah capacity is used. We need to give separate lugs for wires on the battery. In RE area, we have to give separate lugs. One is coming from the charger while another one is going to your load. These have to be provided with separate lugs. Both wires should not be in one lug. The main reason is that the battery should be disconnected. If battery is disconnected, the track should drop. If you combine both the wires that is coming from the charger and going to the load, then even if you remove the battery, the track feed charger will directly feed the track, which can create unsafe conditions. It can give excess voltage to the track relay. Hence, we have to wire in such a way that if the track battery is removed, the track circuit should drop. We use a variable resistance 0 to 30 ohms. This can be connected to negative or positive side. Generally, it is connected to negative side because choke and all the other things are also connected. So it can be connected on any side. Here you can see the variable resistance, which is 0 to 30 ohms, which is connected here to the negative side. Then we have a B-type choke whose impedance is 120 ohms and resistance is 3 ohms. It should be connected on the negative side of the supply and a negative rail outgoing supply. So it is a must that choke is connected only to the negative side. That too from track, the choke should be the first when we are coming from the track. That has to block the AC supply. Types of bonds that are used in RE area. What are they? They are transverse bonds. Transverse bonds are generally also called as Z bonds. This is transverse bond. Then longitudinal bonds. Bonds which are between in two rails. These are called longitudinal RE bonds. Then we have structural bonds. Structural bonds, the negative rail is connected to the RE mast or the structure that is available. So these are called structural bonds. This has to be isolated from the positive rail. Otherwise, the track circuit is likely to fail. Then we have inter-rail or inter-track RE cross bonding. So this is negative for upline and this is negative for downline. Both shall also be connected wherever feasibility is available. And if they are connected, the distance should not be more than 100 meters. That is less than 100 meters. These shall be these bonds, which are called the inter-track RE bonds, shall be provided. And Finally, we have inter-rail bonds also. These are when after track circuit is not available, where the track circuit is not available, both positive and negatives are combined. All this is done to give path to the return current. When the two best return current paths shall be provided. Then coming to the track relay. Track relay, we use an AC immunized track relay of 9 ohms. AC unit of track relay is 80 volts if it is a QSPA1 relay. But if it is a QT2 relay, it is QTA2 relay, it is 50 ohm, 50 volts AC. So cross protection wiring shall be provided for both track relay and TPR should also be given with cross protection. So this track relay which shall be used shall be AC immunized. It for normal QTA2 relay it is 50 volts AC immunization, while for a QSPA1 relay it is 80 volts. Coming to block instruments, the equipments generally used are isolation transformer. These are isolation transformers which are used between the block instruments and the line to isolate both the block instruments and the line. Then we have filter units which are used in the block instruments. These filter units are used in diodo block instruments. Uh, then we have double line block instruments and even Niels token block instruments which are now obsolete. So if for all these block instruments, filter unit is used. It is connected for block line DC circuits in RE area between the block and the line side of the isolation transformer. Two numbers of DC single polarity circuits shall be provided here. In each path, we have three-stage filtering. Three-stage filtering is done to prevent getting AC induced voltages. Our target is to see that AC induced voltages does not come to our block instrument. For this, we have to provide this filter unit. It is provided in the DC line circuit. Each path consists of two chokes, one condenser and a lightning discharger. So here you can see these are chokes provided, four chokes. These are four chokes L1, L2, L3, L4, and these are our condensers. Two conductors or condensers are provided, and this is your lightning discharger. While these are links. These chokes block AC supply and allows DC supply into the block instrument, while the condensers allows AC supply into earth and blocks DC supply to go to earth. While lightning discharges, these passes lightning supply into earth and protect the equipment. These are the functions of all these equipments. If you see the circuitry of a filter unit, so these are the links provided. One, 2, 3, 4. These links are used to eliminate, isolate the block instrument when we are doing some work. So this is how the wiring is done towards the line side. Here we are connected TS1 through link. We are the supply is coming to L1 choke supply. Then this is a 4-pole condenser. This 4-pole condenser is used to ensure positively that the condenser is a part of the circuit. If the condenser is removed for any reason, your block instrument should also get isolated or it should fail. That is why it is a 4-pole condenser. So supply is coming like this through this plate. It is going to inside the block instrument positive, and the other line is also in the same fashion L2 and L4 on the other side. Whenever there is heavy lightning from line side, the supply will go through the lightning discharger and goes to the earth. So here you can see this is how the supply will go to earth whenever there is heavy lightning. Diodo block instrument is used in RE area, and here you can see the filter unit that is connected and isolation transformers are also used. In diodo block instrument, we are also connecting filter unit. We are now presently not discussing about the circuitry. Double line block instrument, we have a filter unit, isolation transformers are used. Apart from that, we also use a block bell equipment for bell circuit, and this is your bell circuit, block bell equipment. So with using these equipments in RE area, we are able to ensure that the signal equipment continues to function normally in the presence of traction current also. Track circuits and block instruments are now safe for both its operation and the person who is operating it and maintaining it, to ensure that interference from traction system cannot under any circumstances cause the signaling system to exhibit false indication. So for any reason, कुछ भी कोई भी circumstances पे traction करंट में कुछ गड़बड़ किया तो भी false indications नहीं आना चाहिए, and in other way imperil the safe operation of trains. This objective must be achieved even if the traction or signaling system is in faulty or anomalous condition. If signaling में कोई गलती हो गई तो भी there should not be any unsafe condition, to safeguard equipment and staff from electrical shocks. So these are all the objectives and safe working. If you have any questions, please do comment. Thank you. Jai Hind.